Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be directing you on how to make your first trade on Minara AI. You can remember in my last video, I taught you how to deposit and how to set up your account. Now, after depositing your funds into your Minara AI, the next thing you need to do is to click on this menu option here. When you click on it, then go back to this share Minara with friends. Then when it opens, click on this wallet icon. You can see actually deposited $10 here. I've just used it to make one or two trades. I'm actually at loss, but let me just go straight to the point. Then my funds are already in my peps account. So when you immediately you deposit your account into your Minera AI, the next thing you need to do is to click on this peps. When you click on this peps, you click on transfer. So you then, because when you deposit your money into your Minera AI, your funds will be on inside your spot account. So all you need to do is to transfer. Because my funds are already in my perpetual wallet, if I want to withdraw these funds out of Minera AI, the first thing I need to do is to, because my funds are already in perpetual, I'll just type the amount. I'll click on maximum, then I'll move it to spot. Then from spot, I'll now withdraw it out to my personal wallet. But assuming this money was in my spot account, all I need to do is to transfer the money from spot to perpetual, because where I'll be doing the trade is on my perpetual account. So that's by the way. Because my money is already in my perpetual account, the next thing we need to do is to click on this chart, because before you make any trade, you have to use the chart box here. Just, let's say you want to trade on, you want to either long or short Solana. So you use this Minara AI chat box to analyze the market. Ask the Ask Minara AI if you should long so or you should short so. Then when you type, it depends on the prompt you give her. Then let's say let me just use this as an example. Should I short, or this is just an example. You can use a better prompt. Should I short or long Solana in this market condition? Then you can see here, this place will have quality. When you click on it, you see fast. If you need a fast reply, just change it to reply. But if you need something fast and still with quality explanation that I can actually help you make the right decision, then you keep it in quality. I always like leaving my own in quality. Then when you ask this, then proceed to click on this arrow here. Then let's wait for her to analyze the market, then give us a reply. So ask I always use this prompt like 2 to 3 times, because market is always fluctuating. So when I ask this question and it gives me a reply, I wait maybe for a little time to ask again. Then I do that maybe repeatedly for like 3 times. Then if she said I should shut all the time I asked her, then I'll proceed to do so. So let's see the reply. It's still actually loading. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, why she's still analyzing the market? Hold on. Why she's still analyzing the market? Let's say um she asked us to long or short the market. Then we'll just go back to this trade option here. Okay, I think she has given us a reply. Okay, hold on. I don't know if it's my network that is delaying the reply, but it's trying to still bring out the reply, whether I should short or long. So, but let's proceed to the next one, which is the trading part. You click on trade, then you click on peps, then you choose the pair you want to trade with. Since we want to trade Solana, then I will go with Sol slash USD. You can see. So with the reply she actually gave you, that will actually determine what you should do here. So the next thing you need to do is, hold on, it should be on Copilot. So then you scroll down to this place. You can see ask long or short. Then you can see this initial margin. This is where you put the amount you actually want to use. Because I have $8 here, I can decide to use either $3 or the whole $8 to trade. It depends on you. Then this style means when you click on it, do you want scalping, or do you want day trade, or do you want swing? This scalping means very short term trades, focusing on 3 minute chart for quick in and out for small moves. Just if you want, if you just want to trade so quick and fast, you can use this one. I don't like using this one. Then if you want a day trade, that is trade short term trends based on the intraday volatility, looking for 15 minute chart. Then if you now want to hold position for days to weeks, focus on 4 hours chart to ride short to medium term trends. So it just depends on you, but let's assume it's this one you chose, then you confirm. Then now let's assume is we want to use $1 to actually execute this trade. Then we'll put $1, then we'll proceed to click on this, ask. Let's see the result. So you can either use AI Copilot or Autopilot. This one is ready to trade. So you can just click on start. Then you can see Autopilot overview. You're about to enable Autopilot, an AI powered trading mode that automatically manages position and risk based on the market data and signal. Autopilot trading involves risk and does not guarantee profits. So please read the documents before beginning. So before you begin, so you can just click on next, then you proceed to use the autopilot. So is either you use the autopilot or the AI Copilot. Anyone that actually suits you is actually okay. So what's next? This is actually your workflow. I'm still going to make a video on how to use this place. Then this one is the discover. So that's all for today. So if you actually enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.